All right, so I'm going to show you the installation of that component. So behind, you're going to have to cut the two hoses. So he's going to go ahead and put that piece in here. This is the front part of it. It's like a little shaft that has threads. So, and then he's going to cut the seal. Let me show you the other end of this. Right there. So what they do is they put silicone around it. So he's going to grab the O-ring and place it on there, and then the valve, he goes ahead and screws it. On the other end, he's holding that other tip of it and screws it right in. Okay? So he's just going to have to tighten it and leave it like that. So basically, that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna cut it, the hoses, and hold it at the other end, push it in, and then just turn this device so it can come loose. That's basically it. No problem. Have a great day.